Hello dear students, today we will learn standard 4 subject art and craft. Let's start. Next drawing number 18 bird. Mosaic color activity. Mosaic means what happened that you see that tiles, right? Now in your washroom, kitchen, that side putting that different types of tiles, right? So now tiles, right? So tiles you have to see that one by one cut and putting that nicely, right? So it is called mosaic. Same way here, see that like this type. Okay, now you broke tiles and you have to put this one by one. Okay, and you have to do like this type. So it is called mosaic. Okay, so here giving that make pattern as indicated with the sketch pen on the picture, color the leaf with the pencil color as indicated. Means here giving that pencil color. So here we can use of pencil color, right? And then here that parrot and fruit you can use of sketch pen. Okay, so let's start. First do leaves. Okay, so first I can use of pencil color, but listen, if you not having pencil color, then what can I do like this way equation, right? No, so I giving to simply now if you not having, okay, if you not having pencil color, so you can use of crayon colors. For example, I take that. Okay, so how can use, now it is a parrot green, right? So here I can use a parrot green, right? Pencil color also use. Okay, and here also, right? Same way here. Okay, now here also using of dark color. Okay, like this type. Now here, okay, so here you can use of pencil color. Okay, if you not having pencil, so what I tell you, now you can use of crayon colors. Okay, so here you can use of crayon colors. Now this type. Okay, now let's start using of sketch pen. Okay, how to do? Now see that small piece you can draw, triangle shape, rectangle shape. Okay, different type shape you can draw, and then after like this type do, can using of sketch pen. Okay, this type part you can do. Okay, like this type. So slowly you can use triangle shape, rectangle shapes. Okay, different types shape. Okay, like this type. See, like this type you can do. Okay, if you're using like small piece, see like this type first, okay, then after inside do color, then also okay. So whole drawing you can do like this type, okay. Okay. So like this type you can do it for this whole parrot, okay. So dear students, like this type you can do color, then after this part, so this part also same way, okay. So first here also you can use of red color, right. See like this type. Now this type, clear. So this part and this part you can also do it. See, first slowly you can use of sketch pen, okay. You made different types of shape, okay, triangle, square, rectangle, okay. So you can do like this type. Okay. Now this part is over. Then after here start. Okay. Now here also do square. Same way. Okay. See. Like this type you can do it. Okay, like this type do. Now this whole part square, rectangle, you can draw it, okay, but you can adjust how this shape you can draw, then after nearby draw one shape, but it is not coming, for example this part, so it is not coming, then you can draw that triangle, rectangle, square, okay. Now you can draw like this type. Now this part is over. After this start from here. Okay, same way here and here, like this type also. See, it is here not giving that, but you can draw the different types of shape and you can start from easily. Yep, like this type. Okay, so hold this part, you can finish it. Okay, like this type. Now, so dear students, like this type you can do mosaic color activity. Okay, so here you can do plain. Okay, means simply you can do color. Okay, clear? So dear students, now this take pic and sending in my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.